Thank you for joining, and in this video we are going to cover about the delete, redo and undo commands. So to delete a sketch might seems very easy, but there are some complexities. So there are some ways like you can delete your sketch. Suppose I want to delete the circle, so what I can do is I can just bring my cursor on that, I can click on that, I can select this circle and then click the delete command on your keyboard. Okay, there is another option. I can just click this and then I can click the right click of my mouse and then I can delete like this. You can see there is an option here, or it could be on the top of your software or wherever. So you can see there is an option undo, so I can just press once and twice. So in this way I can bring my all entities back, or like there is a command for that. So Control Z is the key or shortcut on your keyboard. So the two things, one is just select and then press the delete command on your keyboard, or the second thing is just select and right click. Okay, there is another way. Like if you want to select like this, you want to bring your mouse from top left to the right, and then whatever the entity is gonna come inside of that bar, so it's gonna be selected, and then you can delete it by using the delete key on your keyboard, or you can just right click on delete. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Okay, so look, when I'm bringing from top left to the down, so the bigger circle which is on the left down side, they are also inside, but they are not fully inside of my highlighted area. So that's why they are not gonna select it. So only the entities who are gonna be fully enclosed in my highlighted area, they are gonna be selected like this. Okay, so but if I want to go from the bottom right side to the top side, so whatever the entity, no matter if it's fully enclosed in that highlighted area or just a little bit, so everything is going to be selected, whatever is touching with that highlighted area. So this is a big difference. Again, from this side you can see only the entities which are fully inside, they are going to be selected, and then we can delete them by using the delete key on our keyboard, or we can just right click and delete them. Or the second thing is, like if I'm gonna go from bottom right to the top, so whatever is gonna touch with that highlighted area, it's gonna be selected. So in this way we can delete these things. Suppose I want to delete this, I'm gonna press the delete key. I want to delete this in this way. I can delete this in this way, whatever. And then you can see there is an option like in front of, I can literally do undo one by one, or there is an option I can just select all and I can bring them back. So this is option for undo, and if I want to redo it, so there is option for redo as well, so that is Control Y. Suppose I want to delete this and I want to bring it back, I can undo it, Control Z I'm gonna press, or if I want to redo it, so I want to press Control Y on my keyboard. Look, it's gonna go back. This was a really simple command. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.